Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how Mars should really look like if you have Nikon P900 camera, some time to learn this camera and some time to process your footage. You have definitely seen something like this. Mars is not a planet. Something like this. Again, not a planet far away. Or fake NASA computer image on the right, and on the left you can see a real Mars. Of course, everything here is just a bokeh effect. It's just an unfocused image. People use autofocusing mode for taking photos of planets with this camera. This is just not appropriate. You should always use manual mode for focusing, or even more, you should get a Bakhtinov mask for focusing. It's a nice tool every astrophotographer should have. Well, now I will show you my footage I captured in September 2018, in like 5 weeks after the Mars opposition. Perfectly focused, perfectly exposed footage. In the beginning Mars looks overexposed, but if you point bright light to the lens and press right on the multi-selector ring, the exposure will get adjusted. I will use this piece of footage since it's more stable. Also, I will use text now instead of my voice because there are a lot of technical terms and it will be easier for me. Please keep watching.